The relentless desert wind slowly erases the memory of this old war machine. With the outline finally visible, the crew meticulously works to free the heavy vehicle from its sandy tomb.
All right, bring her down slow. Watch the clearance on the right side. Roger that, coming down easy. Looks good from here, steady. Keep coming straight, nice and slow now. All right, hold it there. I'm starting on the rear chains.
Look at the state of this rust near the axle. We'll need the heavy lifting gear to separate the components. Start documenting the damage on the rear plating.
We're looking at a complete rebuild of the fuel system here.
Did you get the readings from the diagnostic yet?
Yeah, the injector pumps are completely seized. Is the manifold clear? Almost. Bring it down slowly on my mark.
Look at the stress fracture right here.
Yeah, I see it. We need to patch that before we move it.
We need to focus on these suspension bolts next. Yeah. This impact wrench isn't quite strong enough for the front axle.
Okay, easy now. Take it up slow. Clear on the left. Watch the manifold.
With the crankshaft secured, the team moves on to the pistons. Precision is key here to avoid damaging the cylinder walls during installation.
Okay, easy now. Bring it down slowly. Watch your hands. I'm going to torque this side. Tighten that connection point right there.
Got it.
We'll check the pressure next. We'll check the pressure next.
diagnostics check out on the winch. Looks good up here too. She's ready for paint.
Easy now, just a quarter turn on that clamp. Got it, it's flush, perfect. Lock it down. Ready on 3. 1, 2, 3, lift. Watch the corner, keep it steady. All right, push it in now. Keep it tight on the left. All right, slowing down now. Check the weld right here on the boom mount. Looks solid. The articulation joint is clean too.
Headlights are solid. Now checking signals. Flashing amber, steady rhythm. Moving to the rear. Brake lights engaged. Meticulously restored, these heavy-duty chains are essential. The team ensures every piece of recovery equipment is secured for transport.
The pressure on the injectors is holding steady. Good.
Good. And the belt alignment looks perfect according to the diagnostics here.
All right, let's get this housing back in place. Watch the seal on your side. Make sure it's flush before we torque it down. The welds look solid, completely up to spec.
Confirmed. The undercarriage is clear too. She's ready.
We did it, gentlemen. She looks brand new.
The controlled brake test ensures the vehicle meets the stringent safety standards required for active duty deployment.
The restoration is complete. It drives beautifully.
This stress test ensures the winch can spool the thick cable smoothly, even under maximum tension.
All parameters within tolerance. It's ready. Good work. Let's sign it off.
Check the pressure on this line here.
Yeah. Looks good. No seepage around the coupling.